Okay, let's talk about a problem your Eclipse computerized mat cutter can develop. There is if you watch my full service video on the cutting head, you'll understand more. But this is just a short video to illustrate the problem. So your mat, your cutting head's not cutting through all the time, or it's not pulling the blade out like it should, and it's twisting and damaging the corner of the mat. And then you find out that this part right here, called the slide block or blade slider, moves like this. Well, that's a broken slide pin. There is a pin that connects this block to the shaft that runs up to this air cylinder. And if you take off the this thumb nut here, and then you take off the blade clamp and the blade, that's the head of the screw right there. And that screw is supposed to look like this right here. But yours is probably broken into two pieces like this. And it uses a 9/64 Allen wrench. And if we take this out, let's see if I can do this. I'm going to set you down a minute. Let's do this. Sorry for all the jiggling. Come on. There we go. Let's tip you down like that so I can use two hands. And if I put the wrench in there and I turn this out, see that? Broken. It's supposed to be like that. Right there. Not broken. Okay, so that's our problem. So we got to disassemble this. We can't fix it because we need to get the other part. We need to get this part out of in here. So we got to take this whole assembly off. And to do that, we're going to need to take this end off. And all of that is detailed in my service video, but that illustrates that you have a broken slider pin. Okay?